is the latest of the versions of time locks and has been used extensively with remarkable success. And I'll just turn that around so that you can see the working part. Again, the lock case that houses the time lock movements is exact size of the time lock or the combination lock itself. In dialing the combination 4 times to the left, the lock itself is set on 50, and I reach the unlocking part and make a turn, and now the movements are taken away. I am not fully aware of how many minutes this is set, so I will try occasionally to open it.